Hi, my name is Tommy. I'm with Condi Systems Tech Support, and today we're going to go over how to clean the capping station on your Sawgrass printer. The things you'll need to do this is simple green, water, a syringe or eyedropper, screwdriver, I like to use my keys, and a paper towel. The first thing that we're going to do is we are going to power the printer off. All right. Then we're going to open our lid. You take your screwdriver. Again, I take my keys, and we're going to insert them in this slot right here. Okay? So we're going to turn the printer on. And we're going to wait for it to power up. You can hear it's powering up. What will happen is that the print head will unlock, and it will slide over. When it slides over, you're going to quickly unplug the thing. If your print head doesn't slide over all the way, as you see this one didn't right here, that's fine. You can manually, gently move it over out of the way. Now what we're going to do, we're going to take our simple green, and we're going to take our water. They are equal parts, 50-50, 1-to-1. And we're going to add it to the water. Okay? Then we're going to take our syringe. We're going to add a little of that 50-50 to it. We're going to grab our paper towel, and we're going to apply it to this part of the capping station with the sponge. Let's go ahead and we're going to apply that. And it's going to sit there on top, and that's fine. You want to let it sit there for about 10 to 15 minutes. Let it drain. Once it drains, you're going to wipe away. For demonstration purposes, we're just going to go ahead and dab and wipe away. You want to make sure you get it. Also, do not use alcohol in the capping station. It's not good for the printer. Once we're done with that, we're going to take our keys or screwdriver out. We're going to close the printer up. We're going to plug it back in, and you're going to power it on. If you have any questions or concerns when cleaning your capping station, please give tech support a call. We're open 7 days a week, 365 days a year, from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. And our phone number is 1-800-826-6332, option 2. Again, my name is Tommy, and I'm with Condi Tech Support, and I hope you find this video helpful.